Bonjour Madison, comment allez-vous? Très bien? Bien, bien. Moi aussi. Your mother has been asking me to cook for you the most fabulous dinner. And I had to think, what is it that Madison loves? What are the foods that she truly lives for? Because food is life, no? Oui? I brought in my greatest advisors. My staff came and helped me make the perfect decisions for your meal. Yogi was essential in helping me. And so was Boo Boo. I've cooked all over the world, Madison, learning all of the tricks to making the perfect meal. I've cooked for world leaders like Obama. Well, not Obama, but my good friend Francisco. You can see who's fist pumping with him. We've decided on these dishes. First, we have a 4-cheese tortellini with a tomato cream sauce. Next, we have soft shell tacos. What is a great meal without chicken lo mein? And more for me than you, chicken tenders. Madison, the queen of slime. In my country, we have a saying. When in Denver, put it in the blender. Tortellinis in the blender. Soft shell tacos in the blender. We don't care if you're transgender. Put the lo mein in the blender. Blech. Chicken tenders? That's right. In the blender. But Madison, my queen of slime, I don't want you to think I forgot the most important part. Dessert. Skittles in the blender. One more surprise, Madison. Gummy bears in the blender. And since we don't have any broth, we'll put in a little Gatorade. This. Oh. Say it with me, Madison. When in Denver, go to the blender. Blender on. And mash it all around. It's disgusting. Ugh. And Madison, now for the taste. Madison, it was disgusting. Until next time, bon appetit.